Today we will see class 10 geography chapter 4 agriculture. India is an agriculturally important country. Two-thirds of its population is engaged in agricultural activities. Agriculture is a primary activity which produces most of the food that we consume. Besides food grains, it also produces raw materials for various industries. Can you name some industries based on agricultural raw material? Moreover, some agricultural products like tea, coffee, spices, etc. are also exported. Types of farming. Agriculture is an age-old economic activity in our country. Over these years, cultivation methods have changed significantly depending upon the characteristic of the physical environment, technological know-how, and socio-cultural practices. Farming varies from subsistence to commercial type. At present, in different parts of India, the following farming systems are practiced. Primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is still practiced in few pockets of India. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, hoe, and digging sticks and family community labor. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil, and the sustainability of their environmental condition to crops grow. It is a slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. This type of shifting allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil through natural processes. Land productivity in this type of agriculture is low as the farmer does not use the fertilizer or other modern inputs. It is known by different names in different parts of the country. Can you name some such types of farmings? It is jumming in northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. Pamlu in Manipur, Dipa in Pasteur district of Chhattisgarh and in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Jumming. The splash and burn agriculture is known as milpa in Mexico and Central America. Conuco in Venezuela, Raco in Brazil, Masul in Central Africa, Ladong in Indonesia, Ray in Vietnam. In India, this primitive form of cultivation is called bivar or dahiya in Madhya Pradesh, Odu or Benta in Andhra Pradesh, Pamadahi or Koman or Bringa in Odisha, Kumari in western coast, Valri or Valtree in southeastern Rajasthan, Hill in the Himalayan belt, Puruva in Jharkhand and Juming in northern eastern region. Rinjal lived with her family in small village at the outskirts of Dipu in Assam. She enjoys watching her family members clearing, slashing and burning a patch of land for cultivation. She often helps them in irrigating the fields with the water running through a bamboo canal from the nearby spring. She loves the surroundings and wants to stay here as long as she can, but this little girl has no idea about the declining fertility of the soil, and her family searches for a fresh patch of land in the next season. Can you name the type of farming Rinjo's family is engaged in? Can you enlist some crops which are grown in such farming? Intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor-intensive farming, where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Can you name some of the states of India where such farming is practiced? Though the rate of inheritance leading to the diversion of land among successive generation has rendered landholding size uneconomical, the farmers continue to take maximum output from the limited land in the absence of alternative sources of livelihood. Thus, there is enormous pressures on agricultural land. Commercial farming. The main characteristic of this type of farming is the use of higher doses of modern inputs. Example, high yielding variety HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain the higher productivity. The degree of commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in Odisha it is a subsistence crop. Can you give some more examples of crops which may be commercial in one region and may provide the subsistence in another region? Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. The plantation has an interface of agriculture and industry. Plantations cover large tracts of land using capital-intensive inputs with the help of the migrant laborers. All the produce is used as raw material in respective industries. In tea, in India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are important plantation crops. Tea in Assam and North Bengal, coffee in Karnataka are some of the important plantation crops grown in these states. Since the production is mainly for market, a well-developed network of transport and communication connecting the plantation areas, processing industries and markets play an important role in the development of plantation. Here they give figure 4.2 banana plantation in southern part of India, figure 4.3 bamboo plantation in northeast. Here they give the figure 4.1 the splash and burn agriculture. Crabbing patterns. You have studied the physical diversities and pluralities of cultures in India. These are also reflected in agricultural practices and crabbing patterns in the country. Various types of food and fiber crops, vegetables and fruits, spices and condiments, etc. constitute some of the important crops grown in the country. India has three crabbing seasons, Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Rabi crabs are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Some of the important Rabi crabs are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. These crabs are grown in large parts of India, states from north and northwestern parts of such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh are important for the production of wheat and other rabi crabs. Availability of prescription during winter months due to the western temperate cyclones helps in the success of these crabs. However, the success of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and the parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of the above mentioned rabi crabs. Kharif crabs are grown with the onset of the monsoon in different parts of the country, and these are harvested in September to October. Important crabs grown during these seasons are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, dur, argar, mung, urd, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. Some of the most important or rice growing regions are Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast along with the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Recently, paddy has also become an important crab of Punjab and Haryana. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, 3 crabs of paddy are grown in a year. These are as Aman and Boro. In between the Rabi and the Kharif seasons, there is a short season during summer months known as Zaid season. Some of the crops produced during Zaid are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and folder crabs. Sugarcane takes almost a year to grow. Major crabs. A variety of food and non-food crabs are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variations in soils, climate and cultivation practices. Major crabs grown in India are rice, wheat, millet, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton and jute, etc. Rice. It is a staple food crab of a majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a kharif crab which requires high temperature in bracket above 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity with the annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. In the areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. Rice is grown in plains of Rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltoic regions. Development of dense network. Of canal irrigation and tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. Wheat. This is the second most important cereal crabs. It is the main food crab in the north and the northwestern parts of the country. This rabi crab requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. There are 2 important wheat growing zones in the country: Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest, black soil region of the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and the parts of Madhya Pradesh. Millet. Jowar, bajro and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as the coarse grains, they have the very high nutritional value. For example, ragi is very much in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and ragi. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to the area and production. It is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the more moist areas which hardly needs irrigation. Major jowar producing states were Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh in 2011 to 12. Bajros grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Major bajro producing states were Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana in 2011 to 12. Ragi is a crab of drying regions and grows well on red, black, sandy and loamy shallow black soils. Major ragi producing states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Maize. It is a crab which is used both as a food and fodder. It is a kharif crab which requires a temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in rabi seasons also. Use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizer and irrigations have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh. Pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major sources of protein in vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are dur in bracket arghar, urd, moong, masoor and peas and gram. Can you distinguish which of these pulses are grown in the kharif season and which are grown in the rabi season? Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions, being luminous crabs. All these crabs except arghar help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Therefore, these are mostly grown in rotation with other crabs. Major pulse producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Here in this map they give distribution of wheat. Here in figure 4.4a rice cultivation, figure 4.4b rice is ready to be harvested in the field. Here is they give the map of distribution of rice. Here they give in figure 4.5 wheat cultivation. Here the figure 4.6 is the bajra cultivation. Here they give figure 4.7 maize cultivation. This is the map of distribution of wheat. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more knowledge.